Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be doing a freebie unboxing. Well, not an unboxing, but I'm really going to be showing you what freebies I have got. I'm going to be telling you what freebies I have and I've given to people and used. So yeah. So first of all, I'm going to start with my biggest freebie ever, which my mum and dad, we had to go to the post office thing and get them. And my mum thought, what are these? And when we opened it, and it was like two full-size bottles, and they're supposed to be worth £35. So they're like really useful. And yeah, these are made in America and that. One's a skin restoring body moisturizer, and this one's a skin restoring body wash. So you use this in the shower. And then you use this one after. So yeah, these are really good. Next, I have got this positive pet care. And what it is a fur protector and deodorizer, which is really good because I've used it and it does good. And yeah, and then next I've got this derma spray, and it's really good, but I haven't used it, but it sounds really good, and like my friends with eczema use it, which I've only got like 2 or 3. And so yeah, this is just the trial size, and I've got another one for face. I've got the full size, but I just thought I'd get the sample one so I can get a bit more. And so yeah, and then I got the Nivea Dare to Dip thing, which you just signed up on their page, and basically what I did was when I signed up, I got this through the post for the Dare to Dip thing. And yeah, these are really good, and I got a voucher if I bought one of their products, which was listed, I can't remember. You had to use it, but it was the 31st of June I had to use it by, and I didn't buy it. So yeah, next, which I haven't used, was Max White. And so yeah, and I got a 50p off next purchase of Colgate Max White 1. Which is good because this is quite good stuff, and I've used it a few times. And so yeah, and next I got 2 free gift guessing cards, and so yeah, this is the other one. And next I got E45 lotion sachets. Sorry, my hand's a bit sticky and these are all sticky. Then I got Tresemme Split Remedy. I had about 3 or 4 of these from magazines, and so yeah, good freebies from magazines are really good. And next I got men's one, Boss Orange, and I also got this from a magazine, which is basically the same as this. The men's smells really nice. Dare to Dip thing. But I haven't got the women's yet. So yeah, so far so good. Now I've got I can try it, like put lots on. And so yeah, I've literally got loads. Next, I have wallpaper samples. Like, yeah, it probably sounds random, but like you can use them on arts and crafts. So yeah, first of all I got this sample, and we got it from B&Q first, and then I saw it like as a sample first, and then I saw this on there, and so yeah, now I've got it as another sample. It's really cool. It's like old-fashioned thing. And then I got this. I know it's granny, but I don't care to be honest, it's just a weird sample. And then lastly I've got this one. And so yeah, these are like my wallpaper samples and they're really good. And so next I got this Becoming a Teenager booklet, and so yeah, BBC, and it's really helpful to your mum and dad and you if they've never had a child before, or if like your dad's bringing you up, which my mum and dad are here together. And then last of all, I got this, and so yeah, my grandma got this for me, and like she sent it off, but she sent it off and then she put our address on there, and it's really good. Like for example, egg and watercress bagels, which I really love. So yeah, I can't believe this is free. Well, I can, but I can't. And then it's got like all stuff, and then it's got foldy bits. So you fold it. And so yeah, and also I am waiting for my box of awesomeness and my box of OMG, which I can't wait to see if I have got one because they look really, really cool. Yeah, and then I'm just going to show you my coupons quickly with all my things. So yeah, that's just my mum. So yeah, now then I got this from the BW Kids thing along with my card. Yeah, every month you get a sticker, and then once you've got all 15 stickers, you send off, and then you get a free prize, free prize. Yeah, apparently it's supposed to be really cool. So. And then yeah, I've just got like leaflets, and that. Mostly I've just kept leaflets just in case. Oh, and I've also got red spray paint, and it's really good to use. And yeah, might sound a bit random, but I got this. 3 of them in fact, and I got 5 samples. 4 samples, yeah. And they are good. And next I got this E45 thing. 50p off. This one was a 40p off. And I got another 40p off. So yeah, I got this with my free sample. Free samples. Yeah, and now I'm going to talk about stuff that I haven't got but I have given. I had Go Cat Tender and crisp things, and the biscuits, the cats, and I gave that to my grandma. She sent off a sample, now she got them. I sent off a gourmet cat thing, which you get gourmet Purina gourmet thing and food, and you get a gourmet fork. Then I got I can't remember. Oh yeah, that's it. My free sample. So yeah, I hope you like it, and yeah, like, subscribe and comment. Goodbye.